top of the morning to ya. Today we are going to be doing a unicorn. This is a request from Carly, and Carly would like to name this unicorn Sparkle. I can't think of a better name, seriously. Good job, Sparkle. If you guys can like this video and subscribe, I'd be so happy. So we're going to start with Sparkle's head. So we're going to make a jelly bean head. You want to make this jelly bean sideways. Okay, so we have like a jelly bean right there. And on this jelly bean, this is his mouth area. Make a line over. You want in one nostril, two nostril, and a side smile. Actually, that one's an okay smile, but I think I'm gonna make my smile even cuter. All right, so now on top of his head, we're gonna give it his ears. So his ears are gonna come right here. We're only gonna see one. The other one's kind of hiding. So do an ear in there. And then you wanna erase so it looks like it's actually part of its head. Perfect, got that? And then we are going to have his horn coming off right here and curve it around so it looks like it's actually protruding out of its head. Very good, very good. All right, inside here, let's do his eye. Just make a U and then do 3 lashes down and an eyebrow. All right, we're gonna go, let's see, we are gonna do the shape of its body before we get that hair in there. So once you come down here, it's almost gonna look like a raindrop coming off there. Now we're gonna do the back end. This will be like a jelly bean. Make it smooth. You see how I just smoothed that puppy in there? And then erase in here so we do not see that. Excellent. Actually, we're gonna smooth this out a little bit. So we wanna make this just flow. It'll flow once we get its legs and stuff in there. Okay, I want you to erase in here so we can see, oh, it's part of its head. And we're actually gonna erase all back here because we wanna put his hair back there. So we used it, but it's going away because we wanna put all those lovely locks in there. Ooh, up here at the horn, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 swoops. And to make its gorgeous locks, you're gonna come right here, the corner of his ear. You're gonna come down and swirl. Then you're gonna come right above that and then connect it. So we're gonna do another one. We're gonna come down and swirl. How we're gonna make this work is now you're gonna go on the top here, swirl it, and then you want it to connect right there. Okay, see how we have 2 swirls? So now we're gonna add some more swirls down here. So we're gonna come over here and swirl. And we'll do another one here. Swirl. And then one more teeny one here. Swirl. Okay, perfect. Now up here, he's got his lovely locks continued on. Come up here. Don't swirl it all the way. And then bring it back around. And then we're going to add some more hair in there. Oop, you know, I'm gonna erase right in there so we can finish off its locks. Okay, so he has his lovely locks, or she does, on this side and lovely locks back there. And we're gonna give it lovely locks on its tail. So come out here, come around and swirl. Okay, we're gonna come out of the tail and just bring it down. Don't have to do any more. Now we're gonna come down and we're gonna connect it. So it's gonna come down, have it touch right here and swirl. And then come over here and just make it connect. And then we have just a piece of that pink swirl back there. So now we have swirl swirls. This is the darn cutest unicorn I've ever seen, honestly. Now we're gonna be having its legs coming off here. So just have it come right out of its body, down, make it rounded edge at the bottom, and bring it back up. So now you want to erase in there. So we're going to do this guy. So it's going to be coming off of his body. Super. Do we have a joke of the day? Yes. We actually have two. What did the mythical creature serve at his barbecue? Unicorn on the cob. Which I don't know what that would consist of. And what do unicorns call their dads? Popcorn. That one actually is cute. Because I call my dad Pops sometimes. Okay, that's his back leg. We'll erase in there so we make it part of it. Oh, we forgot this part down here. Bloop. Excelente. And we need a back leg here. All right. Now, I put mine. You guys can put yours on a mountain or on a rainbow. Rainbow would be so cute. If you drew a rainbow right here, that would be so cute. I'm just going to do a cloud because that's what I had. But if you guys want to draw a rainbow, oh, that would be so cute. Or I'm curious to know what you guys would do. What you would put down there. So I'm just putting my little cloud just on a nice cloud. Now for stars, you guys can do this way of stars. And then just Sharpie on the outside. Or if you're better at stars, you guys can just draw stars by hand. I've been doing stars for a while, so I kind of got the knack of it. But I started off like this. And then I went from there. So I'm just putting stars in the sky. And we'll do one more here. And do another one here. And this almost looks like bubble bursts, or you can do star bursts. So you're just gonna put lines like this. And we'll do a couple of those. Bloop, 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 bloop. Sound effects always make everything better. Bloop, 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 bloop. Perfection. Guess what it's time for? Sharpie time. All right, let it sharpen. All right, I got a couple of fun facts today. Let's see, legend has it unicorn horns can counteract poison and purify water, which is amazing. Okay, this is the downfall of that information. So it was legend. So of course there's no unicorns. So people would, not good for the narwhals. You guys know what narwhals are, right? So they are whales with this big toothy horn that comes out. It's actually like a tooth, but they call it the horn. Would come out of the top of his head, and people would use that and sell it because it was so valuable. I mean, it was worth more than gold because people thought it just had these magical powers. And so that wasn't good. The Danish people, the royalty, built a whole throne out of unicorns, and they said it was like the horn of the unicorn. Not a unicorn, the horn of the unicorn, which was actually made out of narwhal, I think it's pronounced narwhal husk. Not good for the narwhal. Sorry, narwhals. But everybody loves you. Who does not love a unicorn? Really, come on, people. So Carly, great idea. Super idea. Love it. I love when people give me ideas. If you guys have an idea you'd like me to draw, you guys could email me at sharasart@gmail.com. That's SHARAS, Sharas, art, ART, @gmail.com. And I'm a couple weeks, I got a list of about a couple weeks behind, but I'd love to hear from you. That'd be great. I want to know what you're interested in drawing. And you get a little shout out. Awesome. I mean, I could pretty much draw anything and just have so much fun. So if you have an idea that you'd like to do, super. You guys can help me out. All right, so finish off our unicorn. I think one of my daughters for Halloween, they had at Costco, it was like this unicorn costume jacket. And they were a unicorn one year. Didn't really have legs to it, but they loved it. Good old Costco. Look at this coming along. So let's Sharpie this guy. Okay, I'm going to erase, and then we're gonna come in and we're probably gonna double line our unicorn to make it pop out. So get all that erasers out of there. We don't need that. So go around the outside. Do you see the difference between this and this? This one is a little thicker outside, just around the unicorn. I didn't do around the cloud or anything. Any more fun facts? All right. Just because unicorns are mythical creatures doesn't mean they haven't had an impact on our world, on history. I mean, unicorns have always seemed to almost always been around. And I did not know this. Did you know there's National Unicorn Day? It is April 9th. So you can put on your calendars, National Unicorn Day. What can we celebrate? How? Maybe rainbow cupcakes. I'd have a rainbow cupcake. Absolutely. Cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes are my favorite. Let's put little sprinkles on top. Let's do it. And, don't know what else. Do you guys know, okay, we know the game Marco Polo in this pool. Marco Polo. So Marco Polo was a real person that was an explorer. He'd explore the world, go venture out there. And in one of his journals, he wrote about seeing a real unicorn. What? So this is what he wrote. He said, "They are very ugly brutes to look at. They are not at all such as we described unicorns." And then they found out later this is what he was looking at. A rhinoceros. Well, of course it doesn't look like a unicorn. Rhinoceroses are not that good looking. I'm going to show you. So I color these things in, and how I get the around the outside, I just do it quickly, go whoop. So I color it all in, and then I go whoop. Color all in, whoop. Quick way to make it look like it's shining. So this one, I'm just going to go whoop. Look at that. Easy cheesy. Yellow, done. We're gonna take our tan color. That's gonna color in here. Just do like a medium color. Lovely. And then we're gonna go around the outside here a little harder to give it the finished color look. Awesome blossom. And then down at feet, same thing, okay? Color these in with our tan. If we could, would everybody want a unicorn? Yeah, I think so. I want you guys to take the gray. We're just going to use this to just go underneath the chin, just lightly, give it a shadow. And we're going to go here, so it just looks like the back leg. Let's go under its tummy, just lightly, around the back of his little rumpy. Of course you want to color back here because that's his back leg. And you can go around the cloud too. Super duper. Oh, I'm also gonna go around this beautiful mane of hair, luscious hair. Okay, let's pick the pink. So we have the pink, we're gonna put pink on its cheeks. So I like to go lightly one way, and then I go lightly another way, and then I put a little extra in the middle. There we go, cute. And the pink I put in here, I put the middle section of his mane here, and then this is pink here. And then down here, the middle one is pink. You guys can pick any color you want for the hair, absolutely. I just picked these, I just thought they just look like cotton candy. Now, the next color I used it is called aqua green, okay? That's what I used for this one. Great job. And then this one over here is aqua green. Down here, I did this one aqua green. Look at that. Next is purple. Purple, purple. This one under here is purple. Oh, I forgot to do the aqua up here at the top here. So purple up here, and I'm gonna go back in with that aqua. I forgot that word I do with my aqua. Oh, here. So right here. Oh, also there's pink inside that ear. So I'm gonna get my pink. Look at that. Great. Last thing we have to do is go get a nice little sky blue here. Go around the outside. This is what's gonna make the horse come out, come alive here. As you're coming near the stars, you can just lessen your color. Okay, so go around the house. I like to move my paper. Go around this way, move my paper. This side. I really, 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 really love the unicorn. Like, really. Thanks, Carly. Great idea. Super job. Okay, if you want to go all around your cloud, you can. I'm just going to leave it at that. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace out.